How to remove Powered by Shopify in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, click on this online store on the left side and you have to go for the themes. So once you have entered in themes, you have to select your theme, whatever you are using. Like in my case, I am using this Dawn theme, and you have to click on these three dots and you have to go for this edit languages. So basically you have to edit the language in your Shopify store like coding, and if I search for this word powered, it is the best way to find the Powered by Shopify. Simply click on enter, and if I scroll down to these links, or you can also go for the checkout and system if this run to your page, and as you can see, Powered by Shopify. So to get rid of this, you have to simply enter the space bar, and there we go, it is now removed. Now if I go for this backspace, the Shopify will automatically generate this Powered by Shopify, so we don't want that. Simply click on this space bar one time and click on the save button, and there you go. So I hope this video will help you out. This is how to remove Powered by Shopify in your Shopify store.